What's going on, everyone? Got a 2022 Mercedes GLB250. Today we're going to replace the remote battery, okay? If you have a remote that looks like this, it's all the same, so let's do it. All right, so the first thing you want to do, remove the emergency key out of the bottom, okay? If we push this button, we can pull the key right out. Now we are going to remove this panel here, and to take it off, what we're going to do is you have to hit this button really hard, and then we're going to slide the panel off this way, okay? And it'll unclip just like that. All right. Now if we look at the key fob right here on the left side, this is where the battery is at, okay? There's a holder actually that's holding it, and what we need to do is we need to pull the holder out. And you notice how I just use my fingernail, and you can just pull the holder right out, and then we'll flip it over. Here's the battery. All right, show you what size the battery is. Battery is a CR 2032, okay? And see the positive sign here? It goes down in the holder, okay, where you can't read it. We're gonna flip this guy back over, put it back in the remote, slide it in, get the cover, slide it back on, should click. All right, and that's it. If you need a battery, check the description box. There's gonna be a link takes you to Amazon so you can get a battery real quick for like $1.25. So we're gonna get the emergency key, slide it back in, and we're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. See you again in another video.